Click on the link below to get price. The Elna eXcellence 710 computerized sewing and quilting machine is designed for both sewing enthusiasts and experienced quilters alike. With its sophisticated features and user-friendly interface, this machine aims to enhance the sewing experience while providing versatility for a wide range of projects. At first glance, the eXcellence 710 stands out due to its spacious 11-inch sewing bed. This generous workspace is particularly beneficial for larger quilting projects, allowing users to maneuver fabric more easily. The machine's sleek, modern design also complements its functionality, appearing both attractive and practical for any sewing room. One of the defining features of the eXcellence 710 is its extensive selection of built-in stitches. With over 300 stitch options, including utility, decorative, and quilting stitches, users have a broad canvas to express their creativity. The machine also accommodates automatic buttonhole creation, which can save time and ensure consistency across projects. Additionally, the LCD touchscreen provides a clear interface for selecting stitches and customizing settings, making the machine accessible even for those who may be less familiar with computerized models. Another notable aspect is the eXcellence 710's impressive feeding system. It is equipped with an advanced feed mechanism that ensures smooth fabric handling, allowing for precise stitching and reduced puckering, which can be a common challenge in sewing. This is particularly advantageous for quilting, where accuracy is crucial. The machine also features an adjustable presser foot pressure, giving users the flexibility to work with various fabric types, from lightweight silks to heavier denims. Setting up the Elna eXcellence 710 is straightforward. The machine comes with a comprehensive instructional manual that guides users through its features and functions. The threading process is designed to be user-friendly, with an automatic needle threader that simplifies this often tedious task. Once set up, users can appreciate the quiet operation of the machine, which allows for a more enjoyable sewing environment. In conclusion, the Elna eXcellence 710 computerized sewing and quilting machine provides a well-rounded combination of features and user-friendliness. Its ample workspace, extensive stitch options, and efficient feeding system cater to a variety of sewing and quilting needs. Whether one is embarking on a new sewing project or delving into quilting, this machine serves as a reliable companion, aiming to elevate the crafting experience with ease and precision.